want a situation where you are working together with the governor so that you are also relevant on the ground. Because all politics is local. And politics is presence. I would want a situation where you and the governor work together when you go to inspect development, when you go to launch development, so that the governor can take credit and you can take credit as well. Yeah? And that situation works out very well when people are united. So that is a piece I'm trying to ask you today.
It is in the interest of the people of Kiambu, it is in the interest of myself and my team in the executive as a governor to ensure that the attitude and the atmosphere that prevails within our relationship with the county assembly is at its best for us to succeed in service delivery. And not only with the county assembly, but with the entire of the county elected leadership. It is in our interest to ensure that a harmonious relationship will give us the results that our people desire.